Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Black River. This is the road that you would take to enter Black River when coming from Junction. As you can see, what we're driving on is actually the road, but it's full of sand because to the left of us is a sea. And with the storm surge, the sand came over onto the road. This road has actually been clear, or they've started to clear the road. Now, as you can see, almost all the houses on the left, all the structures are damaged. But I must say, while driving in, I noticed a few houses that had a certain kind of roof, and I'll show it to you when we see one, that they were not damaged. The dechromatic roofs were not, well, I shouldn't say were not. I saw a few houses with the dechromatic roof that the roof seemed to be intact. And you notice the trees, no leaves, nothing on them. They're literally brown. And we're going to drive all the way to the bridge that takes you into Black River. Now currently there are only two ways into Black River because the road that you would take from Hodges to get into Black River is destroyed. Half of it is actually in the ocean. And you wouldn't believe these trees, they were green. And look at them now. You can actually see the road now. And what you're seeing on the right is debris. The storm surge washed everything out of the houses, washed stuff out of the houses and onto the side of the road. Onto the road, and then they had to clear it and push some of them to the side. I also want you to notice there is not one light pole standing. All the light poles are down or bent. It's going to take some time for Black River to recover. Again, look at the trees on the left. Now we're actually coming up to the town now. Alright guys, we will put up another video of us actually driving through the town. Alright, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.